Yeah.
I almost died.
Yeah.
We almost died. And then on top of that, we almost rose from the dead and beat a nigga ass.
Oh yeah.
For the bull crap.
Y'all.
Country girl in a big world.
So we was going to the Bulldogs in Alabama football championship game. It was in January. Mad.
We out here, January the 8th, 2018. It's 4, maybe 4:30. Waiting on K-Dot still. Out here at the Capital One stage.
First we seen old buddy from
The country.
country singer. I wanna be with you. The dude.
I forgot his name.
I think he was on Rascal Flatts, but yeah, I forgot his name.
I forgot. Darius
Rucker.
Ruckus
or something. That's him.
Hey, when I tell you folks, not us. Y'all know not us. But they were out there, homie.
Rico, you know what this means.
Y'all know. So they were out there, but we were out there too in the freezing cold. Just because we wanted to get up and close because the concert was free. It was for anybody to come out there. First come, first serve. So we were first and we wanted a good seat for Kenny. So we sat through, well, no, we didn't sit at all. We stood through the entire performance and he had a pretty decently long set. Like, the set was long, but at least it was some music. So after that, that's when the actual game started. And when that game started, that's when you can really notice just a lot of people trying to come hour after hour, more and more people.
We got hot.
More and more people.
Man.
Hey, they don't let them boys out. Hey. National Championship game, Atlanta, 2018. About to go down.
Overtime to spring the Dogs past the Sooners.
This is where the tournament comes.
Yeah.
Climax. So, we surrounded by some good people that been up here with us since we've been up here.
They the homies, they the troopers.
Right.
We all been here together.
Right. Then these 4 little baby kids glide up. They ain't really kids, but they kids to me.
Exactly.
They come up through 2 girls, 2 boys, start cutting. Oh, I got friends up there. there. Why did they stop in our area?
You stopped right there with us. Mind you, we already like yeah.
We like
We are, y'all. It was serious out there.
It was.
Because you're talking about Alabama and Georgia. It was an Alabama and Georgia game, right? So you already got those fans, of course.
Then plus
Kendrick Lamar fans.
Then just some random people just be out there.
Exactly. So it was crazy.
It was the city was out, basically.
The city was out, and Atlanta truly didn't have enough security. They didn't have enough
room.
Yeah,
they had that shit planned right.
They didn't. So it was a lot of us at the park, and it was really too many, if you ask me.
Freezing my butt out for just Kendrick, but the game is good too.
Halftime coming.
Yeah.
Kenny, we waiting on Kenny.
Yeah.
Man, some reason when halftime started, Kenny didn't come out immediately.
Right.
But the audience started pushing us. I'm talking about pushing us between each other all of a sudden.
Yes.
I almost literally fell on the ground.
Definitely.
Because the push was so massive. Bro, I ain't never experienced nothing before. I thought I was going to die. I actually thought when it was pushing, they picked me up.
Yeah.
And that's how I almost was going to fall.
And this is no exaggeration.
No.
I'm not sure if if y'all have ever been in a mob or a riot or whatever, those really rave parties, I don't know how they get busy, but this right here was something on a whole nother level. And when they were pushing us, I was literally going in a circle. Like, you had to go with the crowd like this, just so if you went against the crowd, that's your life. That's your life. So survival instincts, me and Kierstin, we like this. She told me what you told me. She was like, get strong.
Get strong. Hey, block out, bro.
Kierstin literally told me to get strong out here. I was like, yeah, you right. We got you. And we just started rocking with the crew.
Right.
Started rocking with them.
So one of the guys, old light-skinned Drake Avenue, he couldn't handle it.
Not at all.
He couldn't handle the pushes.
No.
He was like, pushing up. He like, back up. No, y'all don't want nothing. No, don't be pushing me. No, don't be pushing me. And I'm looking like, hold up. You weren't even up here.
You weren't even up here, homie.
Take your baby ass to the bed.
Take your baby ass to the back.
If you can't handle it.
And he couldn't handle it.
He couldn't handle
at
it
all. He was gonna claustrophobic and
he was hyperventilating.
And it's like when you're in that atmosphere, when the stuff already hectic and you it's out of your control. You can't control it. You can't control the thousands of people behind you pushing. You can't control that. He was acting like we were pushing him. Homie, I'm just trying to rock with the crew too. I'm just trying to rock also. So he was really escalating it to a whole nother level that it didn't need to go to. Cause honestly, us and the people around us, we were afraid for our lives. Cause when I tell y'all, it was too easy. It was scary. It was too easy to get under the crowd and get trampled.
It was.
It was too easy, and he was making it worse than what it needed to be.
Exactly.
And he's the one we needed to kill at the time. So.
Kenny comes out. Everybody like, Kung Fu
Kenny, Kung Fu Kenny.
Then I was like, he comes out with what? Not Element, but or what? It was either.
I know Element was
that was second.
It was the second.
DNA, he came out. I got. Everybody went dumb.
Everybody went stupid.
Man, everybody went dumb, and I was able to see him. This nigga still was not chill.
Still wasn't chill.
Still pushing me.
Yeah.
I looked at Tiff. I was like,
come on,
let's go.
Let's go. So y'all, we spent hours in the cold. Hours in the cold. It was cold.
It was raining a lot.
It was raining a lot, if you ask me. I had a raincoat on the entire time. It was treacherous. And so we had just got fed up to the point where we really couldn't even enjoy our spots there. So it finally started and we decided, hey, let's go. Let's go. And we'll find another area where we can really enjoy it.
Right.
Child, tell me why when we started leaving, this nigga, this dude, him and his girl, they follow us leaving. Don't leave when we leaving. You should have been left.
And then on top of that, he pushes me to get out of. I mean, I'm talking about
he's pushing us. Yeah.
So he pushing us to get out of the mob.
Yeah.
Man, I had to go through. I felt like it was a video.
Yeah.
I got up with the millions and then make it look sassy. I was like,
literally, y'all. We had to elbow our way out. So we finally made it. We finally made it to the end of the light. I mean, to the end of the tunnel.
And only got to watch Humble and like a
Flow just went viral. I know.
We missed Element coming through that bitch. He already did Element. Yes, while we pushed it through, he was doing Element. I was so honored. I just hope like hell I still got all my shit in here.
I miss Elements, and Elements is one of my favorite, if not my favorite song off of the CD, off of the album. So when I realized I missed it, I was very upset.
Right.
I was extremely upset. And then
I lost my hat.
she lost her hat. He had it to the point where people were looking at us like
It was our,
he was with us. Like that was our homie.
Yeah. No,
I don't know him.
So when I got mobbed, I'm like ready to jump on him.
Mm-hmm.
But Humble came on, so
we calmed down.
I had to, begin on down.
Exactly. And after that, we enjoyed ourselves.
Yeah.
But he really messed up what could have been a
Perfect free
concert. Seeing
Yeah.
Kenny.
Mm-hmm.
But hey, we got to see him again, so don't even worry about it.
That was good.
I bet it was.
I told you she playing.
Let me take my time.
So she on this vegan lifestyle, don't eat life.
Vegan lifestyle. But that was it.
Yeah.